Good morning students and welcome to Sant Michael e-learning classes. I am Saurabh Kumar Dwivedi, your science teacher. Today I am going to teach you chapter 2nd, the teeth of class 4th standard. So now I am going to start the chapter with our first topic, that is teeth grow in stages. When a baby is born, it does not have teeth. Well, it does have teeth, but they do not show because they are still inside the gums. They grow as the baby grows and push through the gums. Later, these teeth fall off and new teeth come out. It means when the child is born, when the baby is born, it does not have teeth, but they do not show the teeth which is inside their gums. It means they have teeth which is inside their gums. It does not show in their mouth. But later, as the baby grow, the teeth also grow and it pushes out through the gums. Now we will talk about the different types of teeth. As we know that the teeth are divided into two groups, that is milk teeth and permanent teeth. Now I am going to start the first topic of teeth. It means the first classification of teeth, that is milk teeth. The front teeth begins to push through the gums when a baby is about 6 months old. In the next year and a half or so, a child gets a full set of 20 baby's teeth. These teeth are called baby teeth or milk teeth because they fall off later to make place of permanent teeth. It means when a child is about 6 months old, the front teeth begin to push through the gums. And next year and a half or so, a child get full set. It means they get full set of 20 milk teeth. It means the total numbers of milk teeth are 20. Or these milk teeth fall later to replace the place of permanent teeth. It means the teeth which comes in the mouth of a child after the falling of milk teeth, it is called permanent teeth. Now, the first milk teeth to come out are the front teeth called incisor. These are sharp and are meant for biting and cutting. There are 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. It means total numbers of incisor during the milk teeth period, that is 18 number. Then comes the canines and molars. The pointed teeth between the incisor and molars are canines. There are 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. It means the total numbers of canines are 4 in all. They are for tearing. Note that we really needed to tear food the way, say, tigers do. The molars are the large teeth at the back. They are 4 in upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. It means these are also total 18 numbers. They are for chewing and crushing the food. We need these teeth for crushing and chewing the food. Now we will come to our next topic, that is about permanent teeth. As I have told you, the permanent teeth comes in the mouth of child after the falling of milk teeth. The new teeth start growing and pushing out the milk teeth when a child is about 7 years old. It means when the child is about 7 years old, the milk teeth started falling out from their mouth and new teeth started growing in their mouth. These new teeth are called permanent teeth because they are supposed to last for a life, but only if one look after them. It means if you are take care of these teeth, it will last for your whole life. Like milk teeth, permanent teeth too grows in stages. Usually, all but the last 4 appears by the time a child is 12 years old. The permanent teeth are different from milk teeth in number as well as in type. There are 32 of them. As in the case of milk teeth, there are 4 incisors in a upper jaw and lower jaw. That make 8 incisors in all. There are 4 canines too, one on either side of the incisor in each jaw. Then there are the premolars and molars, the big teeth at the back of mouth. They are meant for chewing and crushing. There are 2 premolars next to each canines. That makes 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw. It means 4 in lower jaw, 4 in upper jaw. There are no premolars in the set of milk teeth. It means there is no premolars in the set of milk teeth. Then comes the molar, the biggest of teeth. There should be 12 molars in all, 6 in each jaw. It means 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. But many people have only 8 molars. The last molar on each side of the 2 jaws is called wisdom teeth. Usually these molars appears between the age of 17 to 25. They are called wisdom teeth because by that age one is supposed to be wise or known more about the things. People who do not have wisdom teeth have 28 teeth in all. It means the people who does not have wisdom teeth, it means the total number of teeth in their mouths are 28 in number. And if a person have wisdom teeth, it means the total number of teeth in their mouth is 32.